Alright, y'all. As you see, I've got my hoodie on. They said something about this crazy storms that were coming through the Midwest, and tornadoes, and temperatures dropping, and it's 47 degrees right now. It's cold. I'm talking real cold. They said it was going to snow. Now, I don't know who's screwing around with me, who thinks that's a funny joke, but it ain't funny. But I do know this, that if it would snow down here in Florida, it would be a conundrum. You got that? It'd be a conundrum down here. Thank you, Steel 58. I appreciate that word, conundrum. It'd be a conundrum down here if it snowed. So, let's hope it don't snow, because we don't want to see a conundrum.